Hello everyone, we are going camping and this time we're going somewhere really nice. Mason is gonna see the Chesapeake Bay Bridge Tunnel and Tunnel and Bridge for the first time. You ready to go camping, Mason?
Yeah.
Okay, and we drove an hour already and we got hungry, so we had to stop and get some really good chicken from Cane's Chicken right there. Best place for halfway through the trip. So let's keep going and let's we're gonna put the GoPro and we're gonna check out the tunnel and the bridge and all that coming up soon. Okay, so we'll see you soon. Say coming, whatever. Mason, what are you gonna say?
Bye.
Oh, just the bye. Say, what are you eating? What are you eating? Cane's chicken. Okay. And ketchup.
Lemonade.
And best lemonade in the world. That's correct. Yeah, Cane's Chicken has the best lemonade. All right, so let's go, and we are kind of behind schedule, so let's get going. Alright, look, baby Mason. We're gonna go to the truck, almost to the griddle, okay?
Okay, Papa. Okay, Papa.
Okay, Mason, come here. Open the truck. Right, open up. Get up there. 1, 2, 3. Okay. No, okay. Right here. Good job coming down. Oh, right.
What's this?
Now what we want is this. I need your help with this. So grab this, put it on the table. Yeah, on the table. Good boy.
Papa?
Yes.
Okay. This is
Your chair. There we go, a brand new grill. You gonna cook? Yes? Breakfast? Are you gonna cook breakfast?
yeah, because that on the compound.
Oh, but no, we're gonna cook outside, okay? Okay. Here, this is the first time using this griddle, and looks like we have to season it, which means we have to wait. Give me this. Which means we have to put some oil in here and spread it all out around the surface of this griddle. Now, come on back. Look, this is hot in there. Can you come back? We gotta put some oil in here. See? And then this is how we're gonna season it. I know, Mason, I know you're hungry too. And we're gonna let this thing burn. And let's see how it looks after a little while, but here we go, new griddle. Ready to go. Mason, you wanna have some eggs in the griddle?
Yeah.
Yeah, for breakfast? Eggs for breakfast? Okay, cool. No pancakes? No, eggs? Okay. We're gonna give this a try. Mason, you want some eggs? Check it out. Okay, we're gonna go explore the campground with Mason and baby Toby in there, and Mama Carolyn. So here we go. Okay, so far we showed up very late. We just got up and had breakfast, and now let's go explore the campground, and maybe we get to go to Cape Town, the town itself. Right?
So far,
so good.
So good.
Yep. So
I wish the pool was open.
I know, but we will come in a few and check out the beach. So Mason wants to go explore and maybe find a playground? Yes? Okay, put your glasses on. Let's go to the playground. Okay.
Let's go
Bye.
to the playground.
Here
Let's
we go.
go to the swing.
Of course.
Dad, you
There.
carried Mama.
You want to go to the playground, Mason? Okay, and a minute. Look, they rented a golf cart.
Ooh. Mason, the
We're coming back to the playground.
Coming back.
Check this out, look.
Look at those houses, Mason. Blue.
Oh, that's the bay. Wow, look at this this VIP sites. They have a concrete patio, a nice fire pit. Oh, they put their own fence in that thing. Wow, look at that.
Oh, that's nice.
Look at this guy has his own motorcycle to go around.
Oh, wow.
Yep.
Look at those colors, Mason.
Toby.
Blue, yellow.
Wow, the KOA colors. Right.
It's empty.
I know. It's because it's a Monday and nobody comes here on a Monday, or they're checking out basically.
Ooh, check it out, Mason. It's called the jump pad. You wanna go jump? There's another playground. Ahí, mira, Mason, look. Check that out, Mason. It's a small one. We're just gonna go around, okay? We're gonna come back. Okay? Correcto, yes. A dar la vuelta, to go around. We're gonna go around. Okay?
It's a lighthouse. That's a
water tank.
water tank, Mason. That's the lighthouse. Look, you see, Mason? You see? Wow, look, water tank. Wow, look, Mason. We made it. Where we at, Mama Karen? We
At
are
the beach.
At the beach of Cape Town.
Cape
This is the little, Cape Town. Oh yeah, Cape Charles, my bad. Cape Charles, we're at the town. Look, Mason, look, we're gonna get out right here.
Wow,
This is the little beach.
It's a bridge. It's not a bridge, but
Where does this go? Can we park over here somewhere?
it's a pier. No.
Yes.
No, we cannot go there.
No, I'm not going in there. It's like right here.
That's a bus stop. It says
Where?
love.
Oh yeah, right?
Mira.
It says love in there, right?
It's a L.
Let's go around. Wow, that's Mason's Avenue. Here at Cape Charles. You have your own street now, my friend.
Mira, Mason, muchos botes.
Here you go, Mama. We have to explore first, Papa, and then we can turn around. Look, see, people get their, people get their golf carts and they just leave them in there.
Ooh, they got smoothies.
Oh wow, yeah. So this whole thing is the beach. You see, this is the Cape Charles Beach. That's pretty cool. That you just probably walk over and you can see the ocean. I'm gonna turn around in a minute, and then you can go with Mason, okay?
Mason, look, what is that?
There's only a statue there.
Neptune. It says Neptune something.
And they left me. They went to the beach, and I stayed with baby Toby. Right there. Oh, baby Toby is out. Right behind here. And you see something, baby Toby? Nope, baby Toby. Nope, baby Toby is out. So we're just gonna wait for them, and we're gonna keep exploring Cape Charles. I heard there's a cool restaurant here, so maybe we'll check it out. We'll see. But there's more beach to see, and we still have to go back to the campground and explore the beach at KOA.
Ooh, are you ready? Look at this sand. Ooh, okay, let's go. Okay. Wow, so soft. Okay, let's go to the water. Let's go. Here we are. Yes, vamos a ver acá. Let's go this way. Wow. Wow. Mira. Yeah. You ready? Okay, wait a second. Ready? Ooh. Go.
Mason, where are we going? Are you gonna show me the beach?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. Where is it?
Yeah.
Over there? I follow you. Come on, let's go. Here we go. Say hello, YouTube.
Hey, you too.
Where are you going? I'm going to the beach.
Here's the beach.
Okay, here you go. Wow, check it out. That's the beach?
Yeah.
Yeah. You really like the beach, huh? Look, this is white sand, Mason. Was it worth it? Yeah, look. Turn up on the air, up on the air. Wow, look, check it out. It's pretty sweet. This is Cape Charles Beach. I'm at Cape Charles Beach.
Okay, chocolate.
Beach. Look, baby Toby, Papa Alex, baby Mason. Hey, say hi YouTube. Toby, say hi YouTube.
Say hi.
We're going to the beach at Cape Charles, at Chesapeake Bay, Virginia. And we're gonna start at the pier. Let's go take a walk. Right over here. You ready, Mason? Here we go. Nathan, look right behind you. Hi YouTube. It's okay. We'll do a video of baby Tobias. Come Papa Alex. Right there. Come baby Mason. Come Mama Caroline. Hi. Alright, here we go. Hello, Mama's boy. Let me see your hat.
Oh,
Let me see your hat.
check this out.
Wow.
New hat.
New hat. Mason, this way. This way.
Es un puente, es un bridge.
Right here, Mason. Okay, bye bye. Come on, London Bridge. Go, 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 go. Alright, where are we going? Baby Toby, are you doing okay? See. Yes, Papa. We're doing just fine.
Okay, come on, you're too heavy. Come on, go to the boat.
Nathan. Toby, look at what your brother's doing. Alright, we're going to Mason Avenue because we were told there's a good ice cream place here.
Oh yeah, there is?
And somebody wants ice cream. Apparently it's very famous in YouTube.
Oh yeah?
So let's go check it out. And somebody's calling.
Potential scam.
Nah, that's scam. Okay, so let's go to Mason Street. Right there. We make a left right there and we'll get to the ice cream place. You ready for some ice cream?
Yeah.
Okay, here we go. Wow, look, Bay Avenue is, we're making a left right here on Mason Avenue.
In a
And
quarter
here we
mile,
go.
the destination is on your left. Brown dog ice cream.
Brown dog ice cream. So here we go. Big crane, look. Big crane, Mason. All right, here we go. We're almost there. Couple more miles. So Cape Charles Brown dog
The
ice
destination
cream
is
right
on your
there.
left. Brown dog ice cream.
It's closed.
Arrived.
It's closed.
It's closed.
Oh my god, it's closed, Mason. We can't get some ice cream. The ice cream place is closed.
I wonder why.
I wonder why too. Now, what are we gonna do? Oh man, we have no ice cream. Alright, well let's check this out. There's this is the little downtown of Cape Charles. Looks like old. Oh look, there is some looks like some yachts. There's a hotel. And oh look, there's another ice cream here. You want to sit in there? You can sit in there. Mason, you can sit in there. Alright, some cool ice cream place. Okay, you want some ice cream? So we didn't make it to the other ice cream place, but we found a new one. The other one's only open on Monday to Friday. No, on the weekends, right? Only open on the weekends, closed Monday to Friday. But this one, it's called, it's new milk, what is it called? Cow Lakes Creamery. And so far so good. Mason likes the ice cream, right? And Papadas likes the Italian ice, as well as Mama Caroline. And so far so good. Let's keep exploring the town. So we had a good breakfast with the griddle this morning, and we're about to use it again. We're gonna make some burgers for lunch. We're really using the heck out of this thing, and so far so good. So here we go. Put some oil in there, get it warm up, and see how the burgers turn out. Hey Mama Caroline, what are you doing? Burgers, cheeseburger.
I think they're called burgers, I don't know.
Cheeseburger. One more
The cheese is melting, the cheese is
Good.
melting, the cheese is melting.
Is it on there?
Sorry, they're already melting, Papa. Look at the plate, the plate.
Food's coming, food's coming. We're gonna have good lunch. It's beach time, here we go. On Cape Charles, Chesapeake Bay, Virginia. And Mason, it's already there, playing with the sand. Baby Toby, Mama Caroline. And this is Cape Charles, KOA, Chesapeake Bay, Virginia. Let's go, Mason. Hey, goodbye. What are you doing? Come on, let's go. You got it. Keep running, keep running. Go, 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 go. You can do it. Come on, faster, Buster, faster. Faster. Toby. Ay, ay, ay. Yep, we made it. Over here somewhere, right, Mesa? Somewhere over here is fine. Are you going on the water? Wow, look at you. Wow, baby Mason at the beach. Mason, what are you playing with? I'm playing with sand at the beach. Look, I have some right here. Look, I have a dolphin. Look, my dolphin. Who do you have in there? A turtle? You gonna bury it? Yes? More? Want more water? Hey! Why'd you do that for? Okay, REA campers. This is the end of Cape Charles KOA Chesapeake trip. It's time to go back to Richmond, go back home. Yep. Nice little trip. We really had fun. I hope you guys enjoy. And we're
Definitely coming back.
Yep. And let's get home. We really like the beach. It was white sand. Really like that. We're coming back in a couple weeks. All right.
It's a good beach for kids.
Well, Mason, did you like it?
Did you like the beach?
Yes?
Yes.
Okay. Maybe time for a night, okay? Let's go home. All right. See you later.